You're watching how to fix iPhone messages not delivering. First, ensure your device has a working internet connection. Open Safari and try loading a web page to test. If using cellular data, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and ensure cellular data is toggled on. For IMSAJ issues, check that IMSAJ is activated. Go to Settings, tap Messages, and ensure the IMSAJ toggle is green and on. If it's off, toggle it on and wait for activation, which may require a Wi-Fi connection. Next, verify the recipient's contact information is correct by opening the contact card in your phone or Contacts app. A common fix is to simply restart your iPhone by holding the side button and volume button, then sliding to power off. After it restarts, try sending the message again. If the problem persists, check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, tapping General, then selecting About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Another step is to disable and re-enable IMSAJ and SIM-ZORMs. Go to Settings, tap Messages, toggle off IMSAJ, wait a moment, then toggle it back on. In the same menu, also toggle Send as SMS off and on. Finally, ensure your iPhone's software is up to date by going to Settings, tapping General, then Software Update. Install any available updates, as they often contain bug fixes for messaging. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.